Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Navbar and footer components. So you have to open a plugin, search for Navbar. So now I'm going to use this one, Navbar 2. Okay, click to insert. So now we have to make some changes. I'm going to also add footer component. So we don't need to open our plugin. So you can use any of them you want. So I'm going to use this one, footer v2. Okay. First of all, you have to unlink the component, the navbar and the footer component. So double click and unlink instance. So now you can customize it. Okay. So you can change the link. As you can see, you can add a link here about if you have the pages. Okay. So here is the responsive version. Everything is quite simple. I'm going to tell you about the drop down. Okay. So if you click here and open overlay, this is our component. If you double click it and unlink instance. Okay. So we have two versions here, two variants. One is for desktop and one is for mobile and tablet. Okay. So as you can see, so I'm going to create one more for you people. So I'm going to type here product. Okay. Product. Open overlay. Now what you have to do, you have to create few more variants. Let me just tell you how you can do that. Okay. So you can name it service desktop. Okay. Service responsive. Now, if you want to add more items, so you can do that. Follow this step. Okay. So we're going to type product desktop and duplicate this. Make sure you change this. Like you can add AI automation. You can change the icon here. Okay. Like this. Now I'm going to type product responsive. Okay. For the settings, I will remove the radius, background, padding, everything. Now I will make it visible and we'll change it to product. Okay. So if you come here and open overlay and click this component, you will find it here, product desktop. As you can see, this has been changed. So you can customize it and add your own content if you want. So let's customize the responsive version. So I'm going to duplicate this component and we'll change the variant to product responsive. Okay. As you can see, everything is working fine. So let me tell you one thing, that if you are adding more content to the responsive version, so make sure you don't make its height too fit. Okay. So what do you have to do? You can do that, do something like 500 pixel or 550. Okay. Make sure you set the distribute to start. And if you come down, so overflow, make sure you select scroll. Okay. So as you can see, now let me tell you how you can use this in your design. Okay. So the best way to use footer and navbar, you should create template. So you don't need to create or add navbar and footer in every single page. Okay. So you can create new template here. I will name it default. We'll copy both of them and paste it here. Okay. So if you want to learn more about the templates, so you can visit to framework.com/academy. So you can learn more about it. Okay. So the best way to use, first of all, I will make it with to fill. Okay. So the best way to use Navbar is to make it fixed. Okay. So let me tell you why I'm saying to make it fixed. Let me just change it. And if I start this template, as you can see, if I come here to the phone version, and if I click, if I open the menu, so what will happen? It will push down the content. Okay, so that's what we don't want. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make it fixed, and make sure you add padding. You can add padding from top. Okay. So now you can see everything is working fine, and also you have to just make it 0. Okay, to the right, to the left side and the right side, from the left side and the right side. So now if I go to the phone version, so then if I open the menu, we have to, let me just fix it, make it 10 Z index. Okay. So if I come here, as you can see, everything is working fine. So it's up to you. You can customize it more if you want. And also you can change the link style from here. You can make it underline. Okay. Once you add links to this content, these text, it will automatically apply. Okay. So in the same way, you have to use the footer. Okay. You can change the content if you want. Okay. Also, we can change the link from here. We can change the content. We can change the logo. So the copyright text, privacy policy, terms and condition. So this is quite simple. So if I come here, Radhikar page, as you can see, it automatically applies to all pages. So if you make any changes, it will automatically apply to the whole website. So let me know if you have any questions. You can contact us at contact@framify.design. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.